my dear students. I welcome all of you to Vishnu English classes. Today we are going to discuss about present progressive. A tense expressing an action is currently going on at the time of speaking. In this place we use present progressive. Like the girls are dancing. The horse is running. Okay? The girls are dancing. The horse is running. The structure of the present progressive is subject plus helping verb plus verb ing. Subject the horse. Subject is am, is, are is called helping verb. Running verb ing. The girl subject, are helping verb, dance ing, dancing. Okay? We use present progressive in different situations. First situation, when the action is going on at the time of speaking. The action is going on. The action is going on at the time of speaking. Okay? It is raining very hard. It is raining very hard. The birds are flying in the sky. Okay? The action is going on at the time of speaking. Second situation, the action is not going on at the time of speaking, but happening over a period around now. Mr. Das is writing a storybook. But now he is going to his office. The work is going on and it will continue in future. In this place we use present progressive. Third, we know we divide our action in two parts. Action in two parts. First, habitual action. The work when we do as our habit or when we do our action again and again. It is called habitual action. Second, temporary action. Temporary action. Temporarily. In habitual action we use present simple. Present simple. In temporary action we use present progressive. Present progressive. Okay? He goes to school. He goes to school by bus. But today he is going on his bicycle. When he goes to school, present simple, it is habitual action. It is habitual action. Today he is going on his bicycle is temporary action. So we use present progressive. In temporary action, we use present progressive. Fourth, changing situation. Changing situation. In this place, we use present progressive. Lifestyle is changing very fast. Very fast. The price of petrol is increasing day by day. Okay, it is changing situation. In this place we use present progressive. Fifth rule, planned future action that will happen certainly. Tomorrow is my birthday. All my friends are coming to attend. Tomorrow is my birthday. All my friends are coming. Present progressive. Already I communicated them. We are having a picnic tomorrow. The action will having picnic tomorrow. In this place we use present progressive. Thank you.